Hey everyone, today's video is going to be a short one. I just want to talk about how to create custom queries using Flask-SQLAlchemy. So if for whatever reason like you want to run a one-off query or you don't feel like modifying your data model for whatever reason, you do have the ability to run custom SQL statements using Flask-SQLAlchemy. So that's what I want to demonstrate in this video. I'm going to use the model that I had set up from a couple of videos ago with the many-to-many relationships. I really won't be doing anything with this model. I just wanted to keep the connection that I created when I made that video. And I also have the table set up. But I'm only going to work with this single user table, even though I have a couple of other tables in this database. So to run the queries, first I need to start Python, and I'm just going to import everything from my model.py file. So to execute a query, you simply have to use db.engine.execute, and then you pass in an SQL query that you want to run. So I'll call this R for results and db.engine.execute, and I'll write some SQL. So let's say select, I believe, user ID and name. Select user ID, name from user. And I'll run this query. And it returns. And then I'll just loop through it for I and R I, so I can see everything in there. So it returns 5 values, the 5 users in the table. We can kind of see how they match up here. So that's one way you can run a query. That's a select statement. If you want to run an insert, you can do the same thing. So R is going to be db.engine.execute, and now I want to insert, so I'll say insert into user. I'm going to insert a user ID and a name. Values, I'll say 6 is the user ID and Kim as the name. I need to put double quotes because I already use single quotes. So Kim, let me move this over. Kim is the name, and then close it out and just run it. And then of course I have to commit. So db.session.commit will commit the record, and I'll refresh the table, and we see Kim is now in the table. So that's pretty simple. Pretty easy to run custom queries, but of course if you're using SQLAlchemy in the first place, the whole idea is that you don't need to run custom queries. But if you ever need to for whatever reason, you now know how. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions about it, just leave a comment down below. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you like my channel, please subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will talk to you next time.